Hello everybody, this is Ron Gillespie over at Rogue Barbers. Well, just hanging out on a Saturday weekend here, getting ready to have some fun. It's October 31st, which means it's Halloween, and I don't really have a real costume on right now. This is just kind of hanging out with a little bit of a vacation theme to it. This hat right here I got in Jamaica, and especially made by a guy made out of palm leaves. Anyway, hope everything's going good. We'll be seeing you guys soon. Get ready for this next haircut coming up right now.